visible, but this one really, really nice guy, and I really love him. Robin! Yeah. Robin! He's really nice. Sometimes he's stubborn.
Die is heel gek,
He
hè?
loves golfing under the sun, but still, he's really nice. You should give him a hug. He's so soft to give him a hug.
Okay, that's one.
To do like this, when you give him a kiss.
Okay, that's one. That's your other favorite?
Yeah.
Why is he your favorite?
Lucky. I always call him Lucky.
Lucky.
Really lucky.
He's a lucky elephant.
Really? And why?
Yeah, really lucky.
Why is he lucky?
Well, he's lucky because every day he gets presents of his brother and sister. That's why I'm calling him lucky.
Okay, that's number 2. Give me number 3.
I always call this one Yoko.
Yoko?
Yeah, this is Yoko because he lies really much. And Yoko sounds like yolk. And yolk is lie in Dutch. And he lies really much.
He's a big liar?
Yeah. No, you did not go to the camera. Dit is mijn achterfavoriet. Want hij heeft hier ook van die zo'n stippeltjes. Dus regen. Now, this is my really, really nice one. And Yoko would love to be your friend. Just like he's mine.
Okay. So that is number 3.
This is Shelly. I always call her Shelly. My that was the busy. Shelly is my other. Shelly really likes friends. I call her Shelly because she has a big because she has a big collection of shells. I really love her. This is my really, really has found me too. Ele tem flores. Oh, how I love her. E também coraçãozinhos.
Por isso.
But sometimes she just is too tired to collect shells, so she just doesn't want her. Just hold her.
Snel verkopen.
Okay, can I tell you about my other one?
Yes, please. Which one is it?
I always call him Creepy.
What do you call him?
I call him Creepy because he's really creepy. He's not creepy, huh? Yeah, but he's still my friend. At Halloween, he's really creepy. Yeah. And you shouldn't give him a kiss, or he'll run away. That's what he does if you give him a kiss. So don't. Now, which number was this?
I think he was number 5, but you can give me 5 more if you want.
Okay. Well, you want.
Yeah, I want.
Okay. Now, I call this Robot-delicious.
Robot delicious.
Because it's actually a robot, but he can cook really nice food. That's what I call him. Robot-delicious. And he loves everybody. Not to mention that he sees strangers. He runs right at them and asks if they want to be his friend. He loves friends. And his favorite food is peanuts. Yeah, he loves peanuts. Now, let's go to number 2. Serafina. Because this elephant is really much fun. He does really fun things with you. And Serafina sounds like fun, so I call her Serafina. Now let's go to number 3. Wow, yes! Yes, wow! Who's the second? I call it gross because he does really gross every time. Every day he does something gross. That's why I call him gross. Yuri, gaat er hier met z'n allen? Oh no, that's not really nice. Sorry, he doesn't really like when he sounds like that. And this is Pokemon. This is my number 3.
I think that's a 4.
Oh, yeah, this is my number 4. He really likes you. And you know, I always Painty. Well, actually I call him Peter. Because he really likes Santa Claus he really likes Santa Claus, and he has selected beat, so that's why I call him, what was his name again?
Peter, you said.
Peter.
Would you introduce us to Barack Obama Fund?
Okay. Well, that is, actually not one of my favorites, because, well, I forgot if he's my favorite. But
It's okay, he doesn't have to be. I just want to show a Barack Obama Fund to the other people.
Okay.
Last elephant for me.
But then I want to show you just one more after this. So Obama. Now, everybody, this is your president. Now, and now let's.
Last one.
I will lead you.
We've been to this one though. Okay, what's his name?
Well, I call him Delicious. He makes really nice food too, and really beautiful pigs. I'm sorry. For Matthew, who wear me, it's nesty. Our state is like a state. Yeah. Dit is niet om mee te spelen, maar naar te kijken.
Vincent.
Okay, that was for now.
Antes.
Dankje.